Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat. Today, 2 plus 2, it is equals to 5. Yes, it is the correct statement. But we have to discuss 2 plus 2 is equals to 5. How it is possible? Today we have to discuss this one. We can write down this 0, it is equals to 0. Then this is 20 minus 20, it is equals to 25 minus 25. Yes, 0 it is equal to 0. We can write down this statement in this form. This is 20, we can write down 4 multiplied by 5, 4 multiplied by 5. And this is 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25, 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. So here we can take out 4 common. So this is 5 minus 5. And here we can take out 5 common. So this is 5 minus 5. So this 5 minus 5, it is cancelled. 4 is equals to 5. Or we can write down 2 plus 2, it is equals to 5. How? The question is how? Which mathematics rule is not correct in this calculation? I am going to leave this question on to you. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Allah Hafiz.